What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy BT, and today we are here with this 2021 Acura TLX. This is the A-SPEC edition. We've got to do an oil change on here, so I'm going to show you exactly how to get that done. This takes a 0W20 for the oil, so let's get to it. All right, so here we are up underneath. We have two 10 millimeters here and a bunch of Phillips around to get this panel off, so we're going to go ahead and do that now. Alright, so after we get those out of the way, all we have to do is let it down, slide it over. Alright, you can see here is our engine oil drain. Here is the filter. Let's get to work. Alright, so this right here, this is a 17. And make sure if you have a crush washer that you change that out. All right, so next up we got the oil filter right here. And I'm not feeling like I can just untighten that with my hand, so I'm going to use this tool here. Basically grip onto it and crack it loose. And then once you get it loose, we'll go ahead, drain, swap out the new one. Yeah, we'll just go ahead and get this thing cleaned up, get the new filter put in, and then we'll be well on our way. All right, so once you've got your new filter in, you've got this torque back down, we're gonna go ahead, do a little bit of wipe down real quick here, put the cover back on, and then we're going up to pour the oil in. All right, so this TLX with the 4-cylinder takes 5.1 quarts of 0W20, so let's fill her up. So after you check the levels, make sure everything's good, we're going to go ahead and reset that oil change light, and we will be done with this oil change. All right, so that's it for the oil change on this 2021 TLX. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's your boy BT, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.